Hello all, welcome to the lecture number 5 of series solution of differential equation. Now first example is find the power series solution of 1 minus x square into y double dash minus 2xy dash plus 2y is equal to 0 about x is equal to 0. We are going to see all examples about x is equal to 0, but question may be like this also. So first of all we check p0 of x. What is p0 of x? It is the coefficient of double derivative of y. So p0 of x is coefficient of y double dash is 1 minus x square. So 1 minus x square. Now what we want? p0 of x about x is equal to 0. So p0 of 0 it is equal to p0 of 0 is 1 minus x is equal to 0. So it is 1. Next, if p0 of 0 is equal to 1 which is not equal to 0, then x is equal to 0 is called as ordinary point. Is called as ordinary point. So solution of this differential equation is y is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k. Now to find out its solution we want y dash as well as y double dash. So what is its derivative? Y dash is equal to summation k is equal to 1 to infinity ak x to the power k, and derivative of x to the power k is k multiplied by x to the power k minus 1. Next we want y double dash. So y double dash is equal to summation k is equal to 2 to infinity k multiplied by k minus 1 multiplied by ak x to the power k minus 2. Now substituting y dash, y double dash in given differential equation. So given differential equation is 1 minus x square multiplied by y double dash. Y double dash value is summation k is equal to 2 to infinity k multiplied by k minus 1 ak x to the power k minus 2 minus 2x multiplied by y dash. Y dash value is summation k is equal to 1 to infinity k multiplied by ak x to the power k minus 1, and next value is plus 2 multiplied by y. So plus 2 multiplied by y is summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k, and this is equal to 0. Now first it is 1 multiplied by summation. So write it as summation k is equal to 2 to infinity k multiplied by k minus 1 ak x to the power k minus 2. This term remain as it is because it is 1 multiplied by minus summation k is equal to 2 to infinity x square multiplied by x to the power k minus 2 is k minus 2 plus 2. It is x to the power k. So this become k minus 1 ak x to the power k minus 2x multiplied by k into ak into x to the power k minus 1. X to the power k minus 1 and here x to the power 1. So k minus 1 plus 1 become x to the power k. So this become 2 remain as it is. X get combined with x to the power k minus 1. So it is summation k is equal to 1 to infinity k multiplied by ak x to the power k. And last term is plus 2 times summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k. This is equal to 0. Now see, first we observe power. So power is here x to the power k minus 2, here k and x to the power k. So remaining all powers is in the form of x to the power k. Only we need to change this power. So to change this power, if we replace this k by m minus 2, m plus 2. So if we replace k by m plus 2, m plus 2 minus 2, it become x to the power m. Now remaining power also we want in terms of m. So we replace all powers, all k by m. So for remaining 3 terms, first, second and third. For first term we replace k by m plus 2. So we replace here k by m plus 2. It is summation k m plus 2. In place of k we write m plus 2 is equal to 2 to the infinity m plus 2 multiplied by m plus 2 minus 1. M plus 2 minus 1 is m plus 1. A of m plus 2 x to the power m plus 2 minus 2 become m minus summation. Now in all remaining term we replace k by m. So this become m is equal to 2 to infinity k multiplied by means m into m minus 1 multiplied by am x to the power m. Next term is minus 2 times summation k. In place of k we write m is equal to 1 to infinity m multiplied by am x to the power m. And last term is plus 2 times 2 times summation m is equal to 0 to infinity am x to the power m. Now say it is equal to 0. Now we have changed all the power. Here x to the power m, x to the power m, x to the power m, x to the power m. So all terms are in powers of x to the power m. Now we need to change its summation. So here summation is from m plus 2 is equal to 2 to infinity. This 2 will get cancelled. It start from 0 to infinity. So m is equal to 0 to infinity, m plus 2, m plus 1. Next m is equal to 2 to infinity here. Next term is m is equal to 1 to infinity, and last term is m is equal to 0 to infinity. So we need to change all these summations. We start from m is equal to 2 to infinity. So first term become is summation m is equal to 0 to infinity m plus 2 m plus 1 multiplied by a of m plus 2 x to the power m minus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity, remaining terms as it is, m into m minus 1 am x to the power m minus summation 2 times m is equal to 1 to infinity m into am x to the power m, and last term is plus 2 times summation m is equal to 0 to infinity am x to the power m. This is equal to 0. Now see here we have first summation start from m is equal to 0. Next summation start from m is equal to 2. So maximum is m is equal to 2. So put in first summation m is equal to 0 and 1. So if m is equal to 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 1, 1, a of 0 plus 2, it is a2, x to the power 0 become 1. So m it is 2 times a2, 2a2 plus next term is 3, m is equal to 1, 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by a3 and x to the power 1. So it is x. Next term plus summation. Next we want summation is from m is equal to 2 to infinity. So we write as it is m plus 2, m plus 1, a of m plus 2 x to the power m minus next summation is start from m is equal to 2 to infinity. So we keep it as it is minus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m into m minus 1 is m square minus m multiplied by am x to the power m minus Now next is m is equal to 1 to infinity, but we want here 2, so put m is equal to 1 here. So it is 2 times m is equal to 1, so a1 x to the power 1, so a1 into x, minus 2 times summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m multiplied by am x to the power m, plus, now last term start from 0, so put 0 and 1, so it is 2a0 plus 2a1 x plus 2 summation m is equal to 2 to infinity am x to the power m, it is equal to 0. Now see, first combine constant term in one bracket. So 2a2 is one constant term, another 2a0. So in bracket 2a2 plus 2a0 plus 6 times a3. Next coefficient of x is minus 2a1 and here plus 2a1. So plus 2a1. This is next coefficient, plus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity. Every summation start from 2 to infinity. M plus 2, m plus 1, a of m plus 2 x to the power m. Now if we observe remaining summation, it start from its coefficient is am x to the power m, am x to the power m, am x to the power m. So we combine remaining all, so we can take minus outside. Minus outside, summation m is equal to 2 to infinity. It is m square minus m. Here minus outside, so minus plus 2m plus 2m and last is plus 2. No, if we take minus outside, it become minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied by am x to the power m is equal to 0. Now equate all the coefficient of x to the power m as well as constant term is equal to 0. Here it is multiplied by x. So first coefficient, that is 2a2 plus 2a0 is equal to 0. Means 2a2 is equal to minus 2a0, implies a2 is equal to minus of a0. So we got value of a2 which is equal to minus a0. Next coefficient is 6a3 minus 2a1 plus 2a1 get cancelled. 6a3 is equal to 0, means a3 is equal to 0. So we got a3 value which is equal to 0. And last coefficient of x to the power m. So coefficient of x to the power m is m plus 2, m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 1, a of m plus 2 minus m square plus m minus 2 multiplied by am equated to 0. See here coefficient is m plus 2, m plus 1, am plus 2 of x to the power m. Here coefficient is minus of m square minus m plus 2m minus 2 into am, x to the power m coefficient. Now we equate it to 0, so it can be written as m plus 2, m plus 1, a of m plus 2, it is equal to m square plus m minus 2 multiplied by am. So what is a of m plus 2? A of m plus 2 is equal to m square plus m minus 2 divided by m plus 2, m plus 1 multiplied by am. Now m square plus m minus 2 can be written as m plus 2 and m minus 1. So m plus 2 and m plus 1 multiplied by am. So m plus 2, m plus 2 get cancelled. Remaining is a of m plus 2. A of m plus 2, it is equal to m minus 1 divided by m plus 1 multiplied by am. Now summation start from 2. So we have to put values m is equal to 2, m is equal to 3, m is equal to 4, like that. So a of m plus 2 we got a of m plus 2, it is equal to m minus 1 divided by m plus 1 multiplied by am. Now put m is equal to 2. It is a4 equal to 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by 2 plus 1 3. So 1 by 3 times a2. What is the value of a2? a2 we have already find out, which is equal to minus a0. a2 is minus a0. So put here a2 is equal to minus a0 by 3. Then next m is equal to 3. So a5 is equal to a3. Now m is equal to 3, so it is 2 divided by 4. 2 by 4 times a3, which is equal to, but a3 value, a3 is equal to 0. So this value become 0. Next m is equal to 4. a6. a6 is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 divided by 5 multiplied by a4. Now a4 can be written as minus a0 by 3. So it is 3 by 5 multiplied by minus a0 by 3. So this is equal to 3 get cancelled, minus a0 by 5. Next m is equal to 5, which is a7. a7 is equal to 5 minus 1 4, 5 plus 1 6, a4. a4 is equal a5 and a5 is equal to 0, so this value becomes 0. Now what is the series solution? Y is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a4 x to the power 4 plus a5 x to the power 5 plus a6 x to the power 6 plus a7 x to the power 7 and so on. So substituting all these values, y is equal to a0. a0 remain as it is, a1x remain as it is, plus a2 can be written as minus a0x square, a3 is 0, then a4 is minus of a0 by 3 x to the power 4, a5 is 0, a6 is minus of a0 by 5 x to the power 6 and a7 is 0 and so on. So this is equal to, y can be written as taking a0 terms common. If a0 we take common, here coefficient is 1 minus 1 by 3, that is x to the power 4 by 3 minus x to the power 6 by 5 and so on, plus a1 multiplied by x. We don't have so many values of a1, only a1 multiplied by x. One term is remaining here, 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square minus x to the power 4 by 3 minus x to the power 6 by 5 minus and so on plus a1 into x. So this is the series solution for the given differential equation. Thank you. In next lecture we will see examples on singular point. Thank you.